Hello there and welcome back. I want to touch on a common mistake that I see almost every single beginner makes in government contracting. You see, there's a lot of technical stuff involved, things like registration, NICS codes, and filling out all of the forms that you need in order to submit a bid. And I get it. It's easy to get wrapped up in mastering all of the details. But here's the thing. Focusing on only the technical side, that's not what's going to win you a contract. Now, don't get me wrong, those technical steps, they are important. They're actually very important, but you absolutely need to understand and know them, and we're going to cover every bit of that in this course. But think of it like your price for admission, like getting a fishing license. It's your license to hunt, but it's not what's actually going to land you the contract. So, sure, some people get lucky. They find a solicitation online, they send in their proposal, and boom, they win. But here's the reality. The success rate for that approach is very low. So, what the pros do, they do it differently. All right? And this is what sets them apart. They always connect with the customer before they submit a proposal. That's the game changer. So, yes, we will dive into all of the technical details in this course. But before we get there, in this section, I want to focus on something even more crucial. Who you need to meet, how to meet them, and what to say when you do. Because that's the real key to success in business.